Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start and develop, pick the exact source image that has the settings you want. Once selected, confirm you're in develop. Don't waste time toggling modules. Press Ctrl+Shift+C or Open Settings Copy Settings to open the copy dialog. Choose only the adjustments you need: exposure, color, crop, etc. Make sure to uncheck irrelevant boxes like spot removal or crop if you don't want them. This ensures you copy precise edits, not accidental tweaks. Now, meticulously choose which settings to transfer. You'll see boxes for white balance, tone, presence, detail, and lens corrections. Include or exclude each based on the result you want. Once done, hit Copy. That places the edit clipboard into Lightroom. Next, select the target image or multiple images in Library or Develop. Make sure the target images are similar in exposure and color space to reduce mismatches. This selective copying avoids. With target selected, paste the settings using Ctrl+Shift+V or choose Settings Paste Settings. Alternatively, use Sync to review and toggle specific sliders before confirming sync is ideal for batches. Once pasted, inspect highlights, skin tones, and exposure. Make small local tweaks if needed. If something looks wrong, undo, then paste again with fewer boxes checked, or manually adjust exposure and white balance on the target. That troubleshooting step fixes most mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.